Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve account restricted from advertising on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve account restricted from advertising on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.